In this video we are going to see how we can change the abstract value using action. So now we are going to add one abstract variable. Now currently we have flag and username variable. I want to use this username. Now going to page and one text field. I want to bind this abstract username to this text. Abstract username is available. I select. Now this text visit is bind with the abstract variable username. So currently I think username has no value. I want to add some text this text field, and when I click this button, this text field value add to the username abstract variable. Now I click on click button. First I change its text, update, and select and open the action editor, add action, and right side I select abstract, update abstract variable. Now action is added abstract and set fields. Next step is add field. We have two fields, flag and username. I choose username and select update type, set value, and value to set. I want to bind text field value to update abstract variable. Here widget state. Now widget, we can see that text field one widget. I select. Now what we do here, username abstract variable bind with text field value. Now I going to editor and run this project. Now project is started. Here I add one text place and click on update. Now this text value is update in abstract variable. Here I change, I like flutterflow. When click update, update state variable value is updated. So this way we can change abstract variable using action.